Hello, what's up and welcome to Gift from FBA channel. Today, I want to learn how to sell on Amazon. Then, you're in the right place. Here's a beginner's guide to help you, especially if you are new on Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest e-market commerce marketplaces in the world. It has a mass playing field for those who wish to sell online. Many established sellers have joined AMZ, brand new sellers with no priority business experience. In the first quarter of 2021 alone, over 283,000 new sellers signed up to sell on Amazon. Amazon's domination of the e-commerce world is not going to end anytime soon, and there is always an opportunity for more sellers to join it. You too can take advantage of the Amazon's wide customer base and distribution network. Selling on Amazon is not difficult, but as a beginner, you need to be armed with all the right information before you can start selling on AMZ. And that's what we are here for, to teach you how to sell on Amazon. This is a beginner's guide, so we'll take you through the process of creating an Amazon account, how to sell a wholesale supplier on Alibaba listings, your products, and more. Let's get started. Create your Amazon seller account. Before you start selling, the first step, of course, is to register yourself on an Amazon seller. As an Amazon seller, if you already have an Amazon account, customer account, you can use it to sign up. You can create a new seller account with your business email address. First, make sure that you can access certain required information and documents. Here are the documents you need for registration on AMZ. Number 1, phone number. Number 2, bank account number and bank routing number. Number 3, international chargeable credit card. Number 4, proof of identity such as government issued national ID. You can also use your driver's license or national passport. Tax information is the last one. After creating your account, set up your account information. You can only do this if you have all the required details at hand. The information you include in your seller profile will be visible to buyers. Some of the information includes display name, business name for companies or personal name for individuals, business address, public contact information, email, and phone number. You can also include a bio and upload a logo for your business under your seller profile. Number 2, choose a selling plan. Amazon offers 2 selling plans. You can choose any depending on the scale of your business. They are: number 1, the individual selling plan and professional selling plan. The Amazon professional selling plan is better suited for large businesses, especially those looking to expand their operations. If you plan to sell more than 40 product items in a month, opt for the professional selling plan. The individual selling plan is better suited for small businesses with a small inventory, as they are not likely to sell up to 40 products items a month. The individual plan is chargeable per sale and costs 0.99 for every item sold. The professional seller plan is charged at a flat rate and costs at 9.99. No matter how many items you sell. As a beginner who has no idea what to sell, you opt for the individual selling plan. Amazon allows you to change plans at any time, and you can always upgrade to a professional selling plan. Choose between Amazon FBA and FBM. Now that you have set up your account, you have to choose a fulfillment option. This will determine how you will deliver goods to customers. Sellers can either use the fulfillment by merchant FBM or fulfillment by Amazon FBA options. Under the FBM model, you only solely responsible for your business operations. For example, storing your inventory, packaging and shipping orders, and customer service. And under the FBA model, you send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment center. Then the Amazon handles picking, packaging, packing, shipping, and customer service for you. Amazon also pays your available funds every 2 weeks. Add how Amazon works infographic. As a new seller, the Amazon FBA program is preferable as it offers many benefits, including you can leverage Amazon's excellent customer service. They handle returns for you. It is cost effective as you don't have to worry about storage and space and shipping logistics. Your products are automatically Prime eligible. This means your customers enjoy free 2-day shipping, high chances of winning buy box, frees up time for you to choose on scaling your businesses. FBA can take the burden of managing your business off you, but it is not a free service. You have to pay fulfillment fees. This offers packaging, shipping, and customer service, and product returns, inventory storage fees. Usually, all items stored in the Amazon fulfillment center. It also depends on the volume of your inventory. If you decide to use Amazon FBA, all you have to do is to log in to your Seller Central account and set up your FBA. While it may seem like the best thing for sellers, you still bear the responsibility of handling some core processes. These processes include sourcing, listing, advertising, but not to worry. There are tons of FBA software available. AMZ software like Zonebase and Django Scout can help you automate some processes. Consider AMZ software and investment that will yield high returns. This is because they make it easy for you to scale up your business. Number 4, decide on a profitable product on sale to sell on Amazon. An AMZ seller account without any product to sell is pretty pointless, right? Before you can start selling on Amazon, you need to have product to sell. So the next step is for you to decide what products you want to sell. Winning products are products with high demand, low competition, and high profitability. Also, choose products with high profit margin. In carrying out your product research, you need to check the following: potential profit, revenue minus costs and fees, customer needs, the level of demand for products, market competition, sellers offering similar products and their reviews, current trends, size and weight for potential customers' products, and the ease of sourcing products from manufacturers, suppliers, and how marketable the product is. You can carry out your product research manual. Do this through surveys or with the use of Amazon analysis tools like Zonebase. With the Zone research tools, you can find out your first winning product. You get to choose from more than 20 million products on Zonebase database. Here's how it looks. You can carry out your product research with Amazon.com. All you need is a Zonebase account. Zonebase Chrome's extension is an Amazon analysis tool. It allows you to see page 1 product data such as average monthly returns, sales, unit price, and reviews. This data is useful in accessing potential winning products. You can also use it to check potential prices, potential profits to be made. Other important considerations in finding and choosing a winning product are intellectual product concerns. Intellectual product concerns. You can sell a product which there is an existing patent. Also, ensure that your product name or logo does not violate other companies or brands' trademarks. This applies to private label sellers. And the other thing is restrictions. The restrictions check whether your preferred products falls under Amazon's restricted products categories. Then find out what approvals you need to get or what rules and regulations you need to follow. New sellers should avoid selling products under restricted categories. Thank you all for that, and that was all for today. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to this channel. Don't forget to like and share for the video to reach as many people as possible. Thank you for taking your time to view my channel.